Hi guys, here is how to hide drawings on TradingView. So the first step is to click on any specific drawing that you want. It could be a trend line, it could be a text, your Fibonacci. Okay, you can just draw something on the chart, and then if you want to hide this, then just click on the specific drawing. You see these options right here, these options, and right here you click here where it says more, and then right here it says hide. Okay, and then here you can click here and then click on more and then click on hide. Okay, so that's how you hide drawings on TradingView. Thank you very much for watching, and if you got some value from this video, click on the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, if you want to learn how to unhide drawings on TradingView, we have a separate tutorial for that, so kindly watch that and I'll see you